Hello everyone, I'm the Leglorian, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Lego Minifigure Factory sets that you can customize yourself. And I have two for us to review right here. I just want to say Merry Christmas, because we're all coming around to that time of year. But let's go ahead and get into these themselves. So when you're done, you'll be getting this box right here. And you can just open this down, and it's sort of a red carpet for your minifigure. You got doors right here that you can just open up, and then you have your minifigure. Same thing with the other one right here. So packaging wise, they're fine. They hold a Lego brick that's 3 studs wide, and you can write down whatever name you want. Here I've written Shadow. And on the back of the brick, depending on where you got it, it will say something, but mine says Lego Disney Springs because that is where I got mine. You can just reach our fingers in here and pop that out. Here this just says Shadow. I have Lego Disney Springs. Take your Lego minifigure, put them up here, and display them. And then if you want to pop it right back in, you can just take the brick and shove it right in there. It just holds in by friction. As for the Lego minifigure, so there's a cutout right there for the legs. You can just slide it right in there, and it stays in there fairly well. You just take these 2 doors, slide them together, shut that. That's about it for the box. So let's go ahead and look at the minifigures themselves. I'm gonna go over this one first. When you're doing this, you get to draw all over a shirt. I'm just gonna pull it in so you can see all the detailing right there. So as you can see, I tried drawing an ab shirt, and in the back it's got this hoodie shape. The only problem is it has to be a white shirt. They don't have any other shirts. I didn't know that when I was doing it, and I was trying to go for a whole black shirt, but it only prints up to this. And that's the only place you can put on print, the front and the back. Overall, it's really nice. It's just if you're hoping for a full Lego minifigure to be whatever color you want, you can't really do that unless they update it in the future. So I think that I'm gonna be adding this into a playlist series, making Shadow. So be tuned for those. I'm gonna go over all about this, but as you can see, this is just the Lego shirt. The printing's fine. You can see it right there. Little space right there. You can rub it. It's not going to come off. It's very nicely done. So good quality there. And what I'm going to be doing to fix this is getting some new arms. And then right here, I'm going to be painting over all of this and around here to get the perfect black that I need to create the minifigure. So if you would like to see that, then please subscribe, and I'm sure you'll catch that video when it comes out. As for accessories, after you're done with your shirt, you get a pair of legs. Come on. This is just a black pair of legs that I got. You also get a head. I just saw this one. I thought that was fun. And an accessory. So I just chose this pizza box because I don't have any. Thought a Lego pizza box would be fun. And then you get to choose a hair or a helmet. That's sort of what I went with. And then I have a bunch of pieces right here that I'm going to be using to change both this guy and this guy into something else. And once again, if you want to catch that, you totally can. I'll be going over and painting all these pieces to get them the way that I like. But yeah, that's minifigure 1. As for the second minifigure, for accessory, I just chose this cup. It sticks on a stud right here, and you got this brim. Chose this sad, and then smiling head. Chose this hair piece. And then I chose a really nice pair of legs that I liked. So you can see that right here. It's got black on the boots, and it goes all the way to the back. All the way along the sides, even on the inside. You get printing on the side of the legs. Like, I'm not used to seeing a Lego minifigure with this much print, at least for the legs, and I just thought that was really cool. So I went ahead and grabbed that. And over the torso, you can see right here. So how I got this look was I looked up images from the Rinsler from the Tron light bike race set, and I went ahead and copied that onto this. I don't know if you could use a stylus to help, but it's going to be this big screen that you can zoom in on, and the picture gets much bigger. So I just used my finger to draw this, so that's why they're not the perfect lines, but I think that it gets it across really well. I, for one, really like the look of it. So once again, I will be painting this black. See the Lego sign up there. Overall, I think that it's worth it depending on what you're doing. If you're trying to create something and you want nice high quality, this is good. And if you're a good painter, you can do it. But if you're a good painter for some things but you don't know how to do crazy detail, this will also help a lot. So yeah, they're really nice. For my next video, I'm gonna be showing you some Lego Star Wars guns that I got from the new Lego store, Bricks and Minifigs. I got some Lego Star Wars blasters from there that are Lego Minifigure compatible. I also got a Captain Rex there that is also Lego compatible. And I went ahead and I painted up the Lego blasters, and they look really nice. So I'll be showing you that, and then I'll also be, in a future video, showing you how to paint those. I also got a Lego Ninja Kanata, much like this one, and I painted over it to look like the dark saber, and I'll also be showing off that. I'll be putting out a video of how to paint those things and how to paint various other things, such as a helmet, accessory, and a minifigure itself. As a special little thing, I got some really nice Lego pieces that I'm not going to spoil by touch, because I'm going to be putting these off eBay, and if you see this and you want to buy them, then you can check them out. They're not on eBay yet. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get them on there, but when I do, I'll let you know. But what I got was Paz Vizsla's head from the Clone Wars Mandalorian fighter, if you want to look up images to see. I also have the injured, broken Darth Vader torso and legs from the Force Unleashed Lego set. No printing on the back, but it's got the gray arm, gray leg. Fairly good condition. You can see right here on the back, there's a slight crack on the back of the arm. Other than that, it's a really good piece. Please like and subscribe. I've been the Legolorian, signing off.